Good morning.
Okay, so you can hit your badge and you scan it through. And then hit it again and you can walk through.
I'm actually excited to be back to work. I'm not one of those that can just sit at home and relax. If I'm not working, first couple days, yeah, it was great, but after that, I just was itching to get back to work. It feels clean. I feel safe being in here. I actually feel safer here than I do going into some of the smaller stores where not a lot of people go. I'm sure there's some that are scared, but we're going to do everything we can to put those fears at ease and let them know that we've done everything we possibly can to make sure that this is a safe environment for them to be in and to help keep them healthy. I'm just proud of how well everyone who is here has come together to make sure that the plant is really sanitized and safe for the employees to return, because that's all we really want, is for them to be safe and feel comfortable being here.
So over the weeks, the work that we've done is reevaluate every station to ensure that we have the social distancing in place while not compromising the work that needs to be done. In stations that we could not physically move, we had to hang barriers to create the distance for the employees. I'm excited about being back. I'm excited to see everyone, to show them the work that we've done, to ensure them that their safety was our priority, and we're looking forward to getting back to business.
As we realize that it's kind of scary for everyone, the unknown, so we've tried to go through and do the best thing as if myself is working here on that side of the curtain or the other side. And we don't only want it safe here, we want them to feel safe so when they go home and go back to their family. And our biggest thing in the skilled trade department is going to be continuing to do any kind of modification that'll make them feel even safer. If they feel there's a little touch here, a little touch there, we want to work with them so we know it's safe, but they get a feeling of it's 100% and we're behind doing whatever they need. At first, we had to understand what was going on, and I think it's the point now that we have to come back, and the precautions have been great. I've been back for 3 weeks voluntarily, and they haven't missed a beat on making sure we check our temperatures, everything. So I am happy, I'm comfortable being here. I have a young child at home, I'm comfortable with that. So I'm glad to be up and running again. I want to work.